Hey YouTube, it's Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you, and I just want to show off what I'm grilling today for our Mother's Day lunch. It's we've got 2 ribeyes up here. It's enough to feed 4 people. These are actually really nice steaks, and I'm also going to put on another surprise here in just a couple of minutes, and it's going to be really good. You guys are used to seeing me doing a lot of training videos and building videos, and I rarely get to do a cooking video. So what I did was I take these 2 ribeyes, spray Pam on both sides, and put them on our grill. See, look at that. See, that looks pretty good there. Flip the other one. And these are pretty thick steaks, and these take a long time for them to cook. And most importantly, you have to cook the middle. And depending on how well you want your steak done, like medium well, well done, you make the call. One suggestion that I will make is that when you think your steaks are just about done, cut each steak a little slit in the middle. And that will tell you if your steak is done completely or if it needs to go a little more. Just thought I would throw this little tip out there. And man, I love the smell of steaks on the grill. I love it. And see, I have 3 sides to the grill, and see this top deck here is used for like hot dogs. Like if you don't want a lot of heat on your hot dog, because they usually take like 10 minutes to actually get fully cooked anyway. But you get them nice and hot up here, and of course down below is where the gas tank is stored, and that's the grill. In part 2, I'll be putting on the good surprise, and that is actually going to be good. I cannot wait to put the surprise on the grill today. So anyway, I will go ahead and keep on cooking here. I thought I would do you guys a little cooking video to show some of the other talents that I do have, and I hope you guys enjoy. I'm Engineer Pat, and I'll see you in part 2. Hey YouTube, it's Engineer Pat again, coming to you with part 2, and here comes the surprise. There they are. Beautiful lobster tails. So it's a surf and turf dinner here on the grill. And all the other stuff is cooking in the inside, and just got to cook these with the meat side up for 7 minutes and then turn them for about another 10 minutes until the meat is no longer translucent. And these lobster tails you can get from Omaha Steaks. They're a really good brand of meat and also seafood. They're famous for their steaks, but they also have desserts and seafood and burgers and stuff like that. So it's a really good little place to get some good meat. It comes in one of those big styrofoam coolers in the dry ice packs. So thought I would show you guys this a little bit real quick, and I'll let you guys know how all this stuff turns out. I think everything's going to turn out really great. So anyway, that's it for now. I'm Engineer Pat, and I'll see you guys in the next part. Hey YouTube, it's Engineer Pat coming to you live back at the grill. As you can see, I have just turned the lobster tails, and they look and smell very good. So now let them grill on the meat side now, where all the meat can cook, and that is for 5 to 6 minutes. They don't take very long to cook. Now we'll go ahead and check our steaks. Just about there for that one. I moved this steak up because it needs a little bit more time. The second one that I moved towards the back doesn't need as much heat. So that's why I shift the steaks around. So surf and turf lunch here for my family for Mother's Day. And I tell you, it smells very good. Something on the lens there. Yeah, sorry about that. Just had a little bit of grease pop up on the the lens, but it looks really, really good, and it smells good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this grilling series. If you would like any other tips on grilling something, let me know. I'll be glad to answer some of the questions on that. And also check out my latest videos up there, and please remember to hit the subscribe button if you like my videos. Please give them a thumbs up if you like to know when I upload new videos in the future. Please hit the notification bell, which will send you a notification when new videos are uploaded, and it will send you a link directly to the video. So anyway, thank you guys for watching this grilling series. I'm Engineer Pat, and I'll see you next time.